Hello. Well, I'd like to start out by giving you a really quick introduction to how to use Google Chrome Translate for pages like this. So if you're watching this screen through a Google Chrome browser, you should be able to copy exactly what I'm doing. Okay? So first of all, you'll just go any place on the screen, right click, so click the right button, and see where it says here translate to Ruski? Yours might say something different, but um, it'll it will at least say translate to something. So go to translate to Ruski, and look, it does it pretty well. You can look down and scroll down, and it's not exactly translated, but it's pretty good. Now notice with this part, if there are images or videos, those won't be translated. Only the text that was entered will be translated. But still, that takes care of most of your Google Forms, Google Site information, not Google Docs, that doesn't auto-translate, but those other things can auto-translate. Now, this part's really cool. So you can go back here where it says translated, and you can show original, so then it goes back to the original. Or you can go to translate to a new language. For example, let's translate to Russian. But let's say I want a different language, like um, change languages. And I can choose any of these languages here on the side. Let's try Slovak. Now, there's good chance this won't be perfect. In fact, yeah, I have no idea if this is right or not. But for most languages, once they're on Doodle as authorized and they show up in the menu, they'll at least have most of the words correctly so you can understand the main idea. So if you're an English language learner and you're having trouble with this, don't hesitate with this website to translate it to your native language, get the general idea, then switch back to English to go through the final part. Okay? That's the end of this video. Thanks, guys.